Remember when we first looked at the stars and dreamed of reaching them? That dream was not just a solo flight, but a journey built on collaboration. Today, collaboration stretches across cities, countries, even time zones. We're working together in ways we've never imagined, yet it feels complicated. We've all been there, struggling with tech, feeling disconnected. The tools meant to bring us together rather pull us apart. But what if collaboration could be flexible, yet productive? Meet Workspace by birdai, where we make collaboration free of any constraints and struggles. Where meetings could be started simply by walking in and pairing wirelessly with the meeting room devices. Now your device becomes a controller for the in-room device, without connecting any cables or dongles. You can also simultaneously present your screens during a meeting, and that too not just within the room, but also with remote team members. You can co-work together in the same digital space, embracing the true power of collaboration. And where all your favorite applications are compatible. Whether you're brainstorming in the office, connecting from a coffee shop, or collaborating across continents, Bird Workspace is always there. Sign up today and experience the most seamless team collaboration that you have ever seen before.